Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 monitor goes randomly black screen error. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand monitors. Right-click your monitor, click Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar. Click Edit Power Plan. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand PCI Express. Click and expand Link State Power Management. Select Off, click Apply, OK. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.